Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly Connect. Today in this video, we are going to integrate two software applications, Razorpay and Freshdesk. So the use case here is, whenever an order is paid in Razorpay, automatically create contact in Freshdesk. First, let us know what these two software applications are all about. So Razorpay is an online payment gateway, whereas Freshdesk is a help desk system. The issue here is that Razorpay and Freshdesk don't have any integration between them, and that is why we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an integration software with the help of which you can transfer data from Razorpay to Freshdesk. The best part here is you don't require any knowledge of coding. So let me show you this on my screen.
Okay, so here I am at Google and now I will go to this URL section over here and I'm going to type pabbly.com. Okay, so this is the website of Pabbly and now I will hover over this product section over here and I'm going to click on connect. Okay, so now we are going to sign into our account. So I'm going to click on sign in. Okay, so now because I have already signed into my account, that is why I am here. You can also sign up for free and create your free account in just 2 minutes. Here, I would like to mention one more thing. You can try out this integration in Pabbly Connect absolutely free. So if you want, you can create your account right now and set up your own automation. The link is available in the description box below the video. Okay, so now I'm going to scroll down and here at Connect, I am going to click on Access Now. Okay, so now here we are going to create a new workflow. So I'm going to create a workflow now. Okay, so now I'm going to give a name to this workflow and I am going to name it as Razorpay to Freshdesk. Okay, so now I'm going to create it. Okay, so in this workflow, we are going to integrate Razorpay with Freshdesk using Pabbly Connect. So first I am going to integrate Razorpay with Pabbly Connect and then I will integrate Freshdesk with Pabbly Connect. Okay, so in choose app, I'm first going to choose Razorpay. Okay. So now in trigger event, according to our workflow, whenever an order is paid in Razorpay, we want to create a contact in Freshdesk automatically. So order paid will be our trigger event over here. Now you can see we have various other trigger events available. You can select whichever you want according to your choice. And if you don't get the trigger event of your choice, you can contact our team at admin@pabbly.com and our team will help you to look for a specific trigger event. So now I'm going to click on order paid because this is our trigger event. Now you might have a question coming to your mind that what is this term called trigger? What am I trying to explain? So let me tell you that automation runs on the concept of triggers and actions. It is all about when something happens, do this. For example, when a sale happens, send an email. In our case, when an order is paid in Razorpay, create a contact in Freshdesk automatically. So order paid in Razorpay will be our trigger, whereas creating a contact in Freshdesk will be our action. So now when you come down here, you can see this term called webhook URL. So after choosing the app and choosing the trigger event, what we do is we copy this webhook URL from here and we go and paste it inside the trigger software application. Now you again might have a question in your mind that what is this term called webhook URL? Let me tell you that webhook is an essential way to get data from an external software at Pabbly's end. So this webhook helps you to build a connection between the trigger software application and Pabbly Connect. So now here you can read the instructions written carefully and you can follow them. So now I'm going to copy this webhook URL from here and I'm going to go to my Razorpay account. So here is my Razorpay account. So first you have to choose the mode which you are using. Is it test mode or is it live mode? I am using this in test mode. Okay. So now what I'm going to do is I'll first go to my settings and here you can see webhooks. So I'm going to click on webhooks. And here I'm going to add new webhook. So I'm going to click on this. Okay, so here you have to paste the URL that you got from Pabbly Connect. So I'll just copy it and I'll paste it here. Okay. Secret is not required. Alert email is not required. Active events. So if you go back to Pabbly Connect and read the instructions, it is saying select order paid from active event section. So we are going to search for order paid, this one, and I'm going to click on it. And now I'm going to create webhook. So webhook is saved successfully. So now let's go back to Pabbly Connect. Okay. So now it is time to capture the webhook response. Okay. So now it is time to go to Razorpay and do an order payment. So I'm going to go to Razorpay and here you can see payment pages. So I have already created these two payment pages over here. So I'm going to just open one of them. So I'll just copy this URL and I'm going to open it in new tab. So here we are going to buy online courses. So payment details. So let us put the payment details. So first name is going to be Jacob. Last name De Silva. Email jacob@gmail.com. Phone number. Okay. Pay 1500. Now I'm going to choose card. Okay, so here it is asking me for the card number. So here I'm going to use test card details. So I'm just going to copy this test card detail from here and I'll paste it. Okay, expiry date, card holder's name. Okay, CVV. Pay 1500. Skip saving card. I'll click on success. Okay, so our payment is successful, 1500. So we have successfully paid an order over here. So now I'll go back to Pabbly Connect. Okay, so you can see we have got our webhook response. That means we have successfully finished our integration of Razorpay and Pabbly Connect. So you can see entity event, account ID is here, event is order paid. And if you go down, you can also get the details of the customer. Jacob@gmail.com, you can see Jacob De Silva. Okay, so now I'm going to save it. Okay, so now we have finished our first step integration. So now I'm going to begin with our second step integration where I'm going to integrate Freshdesk and Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to click on this plus button over here and I am going to choose Freshdesk, this one. Okay, now in action event, according to our workflow, whenever an order is paid in Razorpay, we want to create a contact in Freshdesk. So create contact will be our action event over here. Now you can see we have other action events available. You can select whichever you want according to your choice. And if you don't get the action event of your choice, you can contact our team at admin@pabbly.com and our team will help you. So now I'm going to click on create contact. Okay, so now I will click on connect with Freshdesk. Okay, so now in credentials, create new or select existing credentials. If you have any existing credentials, it will be displayed over here, but here I don't have any, so I'm going to click on new credentials. Here you can see enter API key and Freshdesk account password. So in order to get your API key, the instruction is written over here. You can just carefully follow them. So first I'm going to go to my Freshdesk account. So I've already opened my Freshdesk account over here. And now I'm going to click on my profile settings over here. So here you can see the API key. So I'm going to copy the API key. And now I'll go back to Pabbly Connect. I am going to paste it over here. So now here you can see Freshdesk account password. So here I'm going to put my password. Okay. So now here API key and Freshdesk account password are going to help us to build a connection between Freshdesk and Pabbly Connect. Here it is also asking us for the Freshdesk subdomain. So I'll go back to my Freshdesk account and here I'm going to copy this new account and this number. Copy. I'll go back to Pabbly Connect and I'm going to paste it. Okay, so now I'm going to click on save. Okay, so now here we have these two fields over here and we have to fill the information from the webhook response that we have got. So I'll just map these information. First is full name. So I'll just map the full name. Let us search. Okay. It is here. First name is Jacob and I'll also map the last name here. So Pabbly Connect gives you this unique feature where you can map both your first name and last name together in one field. Now here it is asking me for the email. So let us search. Okay, here I have the email jacob@gmail.com. Okay, so now I'm going to click on save and send test request. Okay, so I have got the API response. That means we have successfully finished our integration. So now I'm going to click on save. Okay, so now let's go to Freshdesk and see if a contact called Jacob De Silva is created there or not. So I'll go to Freshdesk and I'll go to my contacts. Okay, so you can see Jacob De Silva is over here, jacob@gmail.com. Okay, so we have successfully created a contact in Freshdesk when our order was paid in Razorpay. So here you can see that unverified is written over here under the contact. This is because we have not yet verified this contact. So what you can do is you can just send this activation mail by clicking on this tab over here, and you can click on the link that comes with the email, and then your contact will be verified. So now we have successfully finished our integration of Razorpay and Freshdesk here. So now I'm going to show you this process again with one more example so that you can understand how this integration takes place in real time. So I'm going to go back to my Razorpay dashboard. Okay, so I'm again going to buy the online course. So I'm going to copy this and I'm again going to open it in new tab. Okay, so first name I'm going to put Amelia, last name D'Souza, email amelia@gmail.com, phone number. Okay, pay 1500. I'll use card. I'll again paste the test card details over here. Expiry, card holder's name Amelia, CVV. Okay. Okay, so we have successfully done an order payment over here. Now let's go to Freshdesk and see if a new contact is created there or not. I'll just refresh this page. And now I'm going to search for Amelia. Okay, so you can see Amelia D'Souza is over here. You can see the email is also here. Here it is showing unverified because I have not yet sent the activation mail. As soon as I send the activation mail and we click on the link that was given in the email, our contact will be verified. So here our integration is working fine. Okay, so now I'll go back to Pabbly Connect and I'm going to show you what has happened in our example. Okay, so in our example, what has happened is first the information came from Razorpay to Pabbly Connect, and then from Pabbly Connect the information went to Freshdesk. So now every time an order is paid in Razorpay, a contact will be created in Freshdesk automatically. So we have successfully finished the integration of Razorpay and Freshdesk using Pabbly Connect.
Not just these two software applications, but you can integrate any software application using Pabbly Connect. If you have any queries, you can contact us at admin@pabbly.com and our team will help you. For more, you can also visit our website at www.pabbly.com. Thank you.